Hey guys, Circuit Breaker here. So today, as promised, we will be making a HHO generator. So let's jump right into it. We will be using the process of electrolysis to break down H2O, which stands for water, into hydrogen and oxygen. In electrolysis, we stick two electrodes in water close to each other, keeping in mind not to short them and pass DC current through it. Hydrogen is created from the cathode terminal, whereas oxygen is created from the anode terminal. I am using razor blades to create the electrodes because greater the surface area, more of the gas is produced. As we know, hydrogen is highly flammable and mixing it with oxygen makes it even more flammable. We will use an airtight container to make the main generator. Now, to make the electrodes, I will super glue this plastic thingies between two blades, but before we do that, we will remove the sharpness of these blades with sandpaper so that we will avoid stabbing ourselves with these blades like this. Okay, so now we will super glue these plastic thingies on the blades like this. So do some cutting something to make this straight, and same for the other side like so, and stick it to the glue like this. So I will put the other blade on top like this and also super glue it and make 2-3 more of these and stick it above these. So I will see you after I have made those. Now that I have made the electrodes, I will solder wire alternatively up to them like so. This blade is connected from this blade and not this blade. Let me show you. So this blade is connected to this blade and not this blade. So we will solder wire alternatively up to them. Now that this thing is done, so let me just give you a close look. See, wires are alternate and we have got two wires. Now that the assembly is on the lid and the wires are passed through, we will now seal the gap near these wires so that none of the gas leaks from here. Now make a hole for this piece of pipe like this and put the pipe through it a bit like this. Let me give you a close up like this and seal the pipe from here. Now that we have made this and attached the pipe, it's ready to test out. But before we do that, we will make a device that stops the flame from traveling back to the main generator, which can be dangerous. Now to make that device, we will take another bottle like this, take its lid and make two holes in the lid like this, and we will stick this tube through one of the holes and make it go all the way down, just barely bottoming down the second bottle. No, it's not complete. And yes, that's enough. And next, we will take the drip or whatever other pipe that you are using and put it through the second hole like this, and we will seal both of these holes. Now it's ready to test. To test it, we will fill up the safety device with water up till about when it about till here, and we will also fill the main generator with water up till here. It's okay, and we will screw on both these things and the safety device, and we will remove the cover from the needle. And now be careful not to stab yourself with this needle. And for the power supply, I will be using some I will be using two batteries, these that I had before, and I will just be using this MCB as a switch to turn this thing on or off, because I didn't have any switch that can switch this current without burning up. So now we will connect it. There is no polarity. You can just connect any wire to anywhere. And by the way, this is a 4S battery which has 8 cells, but two of them are parallel. I mean, pairs are in there, and those pairs are in series. And this is another 4S battery which has single cells for each series. And yeah, let's connect it up, and we will be giving a close watch to the main generator and the safety device. So let's turn the main MCB or the main switch on. Wait for the gas to come down here. Yeah, this voltage is not enough for this generator to fully work, so I will also be connecting my power supply in series with these batteries. So let's also connect my power supply to it and start the supply. And now let's try again and turn it on. Again trying to have a close look, and now I will turn the switch on. Yeah, we have gas again, and this time we expect some bubbling out of here, and it is taking some time, but it will go and it will bubble eventually. So let's wait for that. So guys, while making the video, this thing stopped working, but after some troubleshooting I found out that this safety device was leaking, and I was really surprised when I took the pipe from the generator and directly hooked it up to the needle, and when I also connected all the batteries and the power supply like this, I connected it, and here's lighter, and you can see it glowing red hot, and you might be able to see the flame. If you can see the flame, see it's glowing red hot, and I even tried light a paper on fire, and you can see that this thing is glowing red hot, and you might be able to see this little flame. And when I put the paper on it, see it catches fire. See. So this is enough for this video. In the next video, I will be doing some more experiments with this generator, like filling up a bottle with it and launching it straight up, or filling up a balloon with it and blowing it up. So how did you like the video? Tell me down in the comments the improvement that I can do. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.